I'm here to plug you guys to the best skin lightening glow set that will evenly lighten and glow your skin this December. So if you're ready to achieve that radiant glowing skin, let's dive in. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, Judith is the name. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always dropping by. You guys are my real MVPs. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead and tap on the subscribe button down below so that you can get subscribed to my channel for more skincare tips. And don't forget to like this video if you end up enjoying it. In today's video, we are going to be talking about skin lightening glow sets. So if you want to uniformly lighten up your skin and have that luminous, healthy glow on your skin, then you definitely need to keep on watching because I'm going to be showing you the best skincare products that you can use to lighten up your skin without damaging your skin or causing your skin any form of dark knuckles, green veins, stretch marks, and the rest. And the amazing thing about the skin lightening glow set is the fact that it consists of a body soap, body lotion, body oil, and body scrub, and is also suitable for all skin types as long as you want that lighter glowing skin. So if you're ready to have your skin popping, let's dive right in. Now you need to understand that this skin lightening set is something you need to be consistent with. When I say consistent, you need to understand that consistency is not having multitude of products lined up in your skincare routine. It's about finding the right products and routine that is suitable for your skin type, addresses your skin concerns, and sticking to it over time. Because most clients, when they come in for a consultation section and I end up recommending products for them to use, maybe after 2 weeks or 3 weeks, when I decide to check in on them to see how their routine is doing, you end up noticing that some products you recommended for them, they have actually ditched it and gone ahead to start using something else because they were expecting to have 7 shades or 10 shades lighter skin tone in a space of 3 to 7 days. My dear, it doesn't work like that. Skincare is not magic. You need to understand that your skin is undergoing construction. You need to exercise patience and be consistent if you really want to see results, because most times your skin needs to adapt to new skincare products before it actually starts working. So the reason I'm putting this out here is for you to understand that this skin lightening glow set I'm about to show you guys is something you can use for a long time. These are not products that will bleach or damage your skin, or a product that you can use to achieve maybe 2 shades or 10 shades lighter skin and then you ditch it along the way and start looking for something that will maintain your complexion. So with that said, the first product you will need in your skin lightening glow set is Frusia Shower Gel. Hold up, I know what you're about to say. If you are an OG on my channel, I believe you know about this Frusia Shower Cream. And guys, I'm not going to stop preaching about this Frusia Shower Gel because of how effective it is. This is a body soap and is made with ingredients like goat's milk and UV white. So you see, this shower gel is not only going to cleanse your skin, it's going to leave your skin feeling refreshed and smelling nice after every shower. This is an amazing shower gel and I've been using this for a very long time. It's so moisturizing on the body and it helps to nourish your skin, promotes a fairer and even skin tone. This is an amazing body wash. So if you're looking for a gentle moisturizing soap that will gradually lighten your skin, soften your skin, smoothen your skin, and give you that even toned complexion, girl, this is it. This is it right here. This has been my baby for many years, and guys, believe me when I say I'm not stopping anytime soon. This shower gel will blow your mind. It lives up to the expectations of being moisturizing, nourishing, and promoting an even and fairer skin tone. This will give you a uniform complexion. It currently retails at the cost of 5,000 to 55, depending on where you're getting it from. It's an amazing shower gel, guys. Now, like I always say, a moisturizing soap is all you need if you want to lighten and glow your skin, because it's going to help nourish your skin right from the shower. And that is exactly what this Frusia shower gel is going to do on your skin. You honestly do not need to pack too many lightening products in your skincare routine just because you want to lighten up your skin. So this is a very nice shower gel that will suit your skincare routine. Now, the next or second product you will need in your skin lightening glow set is this QEI Plus Paris body lotion with carrot extract, and this is the body lotion right here. Like I always say, if you want to lighten up your skin, you need a body lotion that will not only lighten up your skin, you need something that will lighten and moisturize your skin at the same time, because most lightening body lotions out there in the market, they can be very drying on the skin, and they will end up lightening your skin, but your skin will end up looking unhealthy. So if you want to avoid that, then this QEI Plus Paris body lotion is one body lotion you will need in your skin lightening glow set. And I'm going to tell you why. This QEI Paris body lotion contains ingredients like carotene, carrot extract, and is also a body milk that is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, and the rest. So this is one body lotion that will not just lighten and brighten your complexion, is also going to help moisturize and nourish your skin. So in other words, if you're planning to achieve a lighter or fairer complexion, then this is definitely a body lotion you need to add in your skincare routine, because this body lotion is going to first of all nourish and even out your complexion, and is a body lotion that you can use both in the morning and at night. It will help to repair your skin. And if you're someone battling with uneven skin tone or hyperpigmentation on your body, then this is definitely one body lotion I recommend you use. This body lotion will repair your skin and give you a uniform skin tone from your head down to your toe. The reason I don't usually recommend this QEI Plus body lotion is the fact that there are lots of fake hair in Nigeria. So if you're trying to get this particular body lotion, I will advise you order directly from the QEI Paris website, because they also have a fake Nigerian website and you end up buying fake from there. But if you're somewhere outside Nigeria, you can actually get this. Like, this is a safe and effective body lotion that will gradually lighten, blend, and even out your skin tone. Believe me, if you're able to get the original of this QEI Paris body lotion, you're definitely going to love your skin. This body lotion is going to give you that yellow undertone. It's not going to lighten your skin and make you look like you're bleaching. It's a body lotion that will evenly blend your body and make your skin look so healthy and plump instead of looking thinned out or worn out. So if you want that luminous lighter skin tone, go get this. You're definitely going to love it. The next or third product you will need in your skin lightening glow set is this Dr. Teal's moisturizing bath and body oil, and this is it right here. This body oil right here is a blend of nourishing oils that are combined to moisturize, hydrate, nourish, and glow your skin. So if you want to lighten and glow your complexion, you need a lightweight body oil like this Dr. Teal's body oil that will help to nourish your skin and give your skin a radiant glow without being greasy on your skin. This body oil actually made it to my list because it contains ingredients like jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil. And if you know anything about jojoba oil, is the fact that it's going to imitate your skin's natural oil. So it does not in any way feel greasy on the skin. And combining jojoba oil with this other oils like sweet almond oil and grapeseed oil is going to make your skin feel a lot softer and supple. This body oil also helps to repair your skin. If you're struggling or battling with uneven skin tone, then this is a body oil that is also going to help blend your skin. This body oil is also going to help rejuvenate your skin and make it look healthy and fresh. It also contains eucalyptus and spearmint. This is an amazing body oil and is going to help nourish your skin. Now, the fourth or last product you will need in your skin lightening glow set is this Vit Gold Vitamin C Extra Whitening Super Scrub. So this is the scrub right here. Now, there's actually no way you want to lighten or brighten up your skin tone and you don't want to buy or add a body scrub in your skincare routine. I don't get. If you want to properly lighten and glow your complexion, you need a body scrub in your skincare routine. And I'm going to tell you why. Body scrub is going to help exfoliate your skin and make your skin look clear and radiant. And that is exactly what this Vit Gold Vitamin C body scrub is going to do in your skincare routine. It's going to help slough off the dead skin cells on your skin and give you an amazing glow. This particular body scrub contains vitamin C, which is also going to help increase your skin's radiance So in other words, this particular Vids Gold Scrub is so efficient when it comes to sloughing off the dead skin cells on your skin and increasing your skin's collagen. So in other words, when you pair this particular body scrub with this other products in your skincare routine, they are all going to work hand in hand to increase and improve your skin tone without thinning out your skin or giving you green veins, dark knuckles, or stretch marks. These are products that will enhance your skin tone, and that is why I stated you needed to be consistent with them if you really want an amazing skin tone. So combining Frusia shower gel with your QEI body lotion and Dr. Tew's body oil and the Vids Gold body scrub is going to improve and enhance your skin tone over time. This is a complete body care set you need to be consistent with if you want to lighten and glow your complexion. Now, I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to use each of these products in your skin lightening glow set to lighten and achieve the best results. So first things first, immediately you enter into the shower, you need to go ahead to wet your skin with water and then apply a generous amount of your shower gel on your bathing sponge and use it to properly wash and massage your skin thoroughly. And once you're done, go ahead and rinse off your body. Once you're done rinsing off your skin, scoop your Vids Gold body scrub. You can either use your hand or you use your exfoliating hand sponge and use it to massage your skin in a circular motion, starting from your neck down to your feet. Rinse off your body and step out from the shower. Immediately you step out from the shower, the next thing you want to do is to dry down your body a bit. Do not dry out the whole water on your body. Like, make sure your skin is still a bit wet or damp before you go ahead to apply your QEI Plus body lotion. And once you're done applying your body lotion, follow it up immediately with your body oil to seal in the whole moisture into your skin. And that is simply it. So for your Vids Gold body scrub, you want to use your body scrub only 2 or 3 times a week. Your other products can be used every day, but your body scrub should be limited to 2 or 3 times weekly, either in the morning or at night when you decide to exfoliate or scrub off the dead skin cells on your skin. So that is simply it on how to get the best results with your skin lightening glow set. Like I said before, if you want a lighter and amazing, beautiful, glowing skin, just use this product and try and be consistent with them if you want that lighter, beautiful, glowing skin. So yeah, that is it on the best skin lightening glow set for fair skin. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and catch you guys on my next one. Bye guys.